Welcome to Magic Kids TV.
Hello, little friends. Waving hand. Today, we're going to learn how a tiny seed grows into a big, beautiful tree. Are you ready? Let's begin. I am a tiny seed. A seed is very small. It sleeps under the soil and waits for water and sunshine.
Yay! I got water and warm sunshine. The seed drinks water. The sunshine gives it energy. Soon, something amazing happens. Look! I am growing. A little root grows down into the soil. A tiny green shoot grows up toward the sky. Now I have little leaves. The little plant grows more leaves. The leaves help it make food using sunlight. I am getting taller every day. The trunk becomes stronger. More branches and leaves grow. Wow! I am a big tree. The tree gives us leaf fluttering in wind, fresh air. Cherry blossom, beautiful flowers. Red apple, delicious fruits. Bird, a home for birds. Sun with face, cool shade. Let's plant more trees and take care of them every day. Together we can make the earth green and beautiful. Globe showing Europe, Africa, green heart. Bye-bye, friends. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.